ha!
Hey-ya! Super Sam will save you! Sam, help us! Guys, don't crowd! I need some space!
All right, enough! Director's here, cut! What's wrong, Mr. Main Character?
It's unrealistic, Susie! How could one superhero handle all this chaos?
But you're okay with the fact that all the inhabitants are just toys?
Absolutely! Hey-ya! I have an idea! Super Slime needs a super team!
This might take some time. We should make a big casting.
There is no need for that! I have some guys in mind just right for the job!
Hi, guys! Today we're gonna put together a dream team to save the toys world!
And these little cuties will help us with this!
Why don't we start with this little cutie?
Phew! It's hard to be a superhero!
Sammy, stop! What are you doing?
Woohoo! Since we're turning a doll into a superhero, we need to sew a special costume, don't we?
We do, but we're gonna use something different.
Acrylic paints?
That's right! Let's get started! First, we need to paint her whole body with the red paint.
She wears a tight red costume. I think I know who she is!
Go ahead, tell us! I bet the guys just can't wait to hear your theory.
Isn't it Scarlet Witch?
This decor should help you get some better ideas, Sammy. Well, what do you say?
I'm a smart young slime, but in this case, I don't know what to say.
Sammy, even the wildlife is trying to give you a hint.
Ladybug? Really? She rocks!
Yay! Here she is in her famous red polka-dot suit. By the way, guys, don't forget to wait till the red layer is perfectly dry before you start making these tiny black dots.
Thanks to video editing, we could miss that step, but you better not!
In the meantime, we will draw one of the most important parts of a superhero costume. Here we go.
And we're talking about a mask!
Not like that one, actually. But everybody knows how very important it is to keep superheroes' identities a secret.
Don't take it personal, Sue, but your mask is not animated film accurate. Let me just, ta-da! What do you think, Susie?
Wow, so cool, Sammy! I'm lucky you're such a fan who remembers every detail. Guys, support Sammy with your thumbs up. He really deserves that.
But Susie deserves that too! Just look at how well she's doing!
Oh, Sammy, come on. I'm just enjoying making crafts.
Or saving the world and helping people!
So, would you be so kind to help me and bring me the blue paint?
There you are! But what for?
To make Ladybug's unique hair color, of course! I bet you remember Marinette has black hair with a bluish tint.
Have you ever thought about changing your hairstyle? You should defo try pink!
Oh, Sammy and his love for pink.
Holy cannoli, Sue! What does that have to do with it?
Really? You and pink? No, there's absolutely no connection.
You're laughing at me and don't even notice that you forgot something important!
What are you talking about, Sammy?
Good macaroon, Susie! How are we supposed to save the world without a weapon?
My apologies. I'm still new to all these superhero things. Here, Miss Ladybug, take your yo-yo. Now you're ready to save the world.
Let's take a look at her, guys, before she starts her mission!
Ahem, Sammy! It's such an honor to be on a team with you, but I can't work without Adrian.
How could I forget about Cat Noir? Susie!
I know, but I can't decide which one of these to choose.
Oh, this riddle is easy to solve. We should take this one. She resembles Cat Noir more, therefore it'll be easier to remake her.
Sammy, you're a genius! What would I do without you? Sue, dye the hair! It's very important! He's blonde, don't forget it! I know, don't worry, Miss Ladybug. Everything will be great.
Girls, while you were chatting here, I painted Cat's body! We have some work to do, remember?
And you did such a great job, Sammy! Now we need to cut out the previous girly hair, like this.
Don't forget about safety while working with sharp objects. Ask an adult to help.
After that, we'll cover the head with a piece of polymer clay to make a hairdo.
Leave it to me! I know everything about French hairdressing trends!
Wow, Sammy, you're a great master! But I didn't sit back too! Look what I've made!
I could repeat the hairdo with ears for you, Sue.
Oh no, thank you though! Sammy, if you could have had a superpower, what would it be?
I already have one! Everything I do perfectly! Hop!
Hey guys, I want to take part too! Cat Noir, let me do something! You won't regret it, I promise! Wow, he looks so real!
To make his eyes shine is another of your superpowers, Ladybug! What about you, Sue? What superpower would you choose?
I would like to make the decor appear by itself.
That's it? That's not a superpower, Susie! Only one spell and it's ready! Look! Bibbidi-bobbidi-subscribidi! See? Told you!
Oh, Sammy! Superheroes and witchcraft are in different universes, but the belt looks really cool! Would you look at them, guys? Such a nice couple!
Guys, listen! We have to do it! We have no choice!
I don't know, Sammy. I think just two of us can easily deal with the bad guys. We have to do that! I heard Evil Goblin is raising his troops! It's alright, guys. It's always more fun to work as a big team. Isn't that right, Sammy? You defo know better.
Sue, hurry up! I'm not sure, but it seems I saw Siren Head!
Chloe is so stylish. Fingerless gloves, triangle top of the boots.
If you're a superhero, you're not only strong, you're slick, you know.
Maybe I can become a fashion designer for superheroes? I'd like that!
And for villains too? Huh? Technically, they're kind of superheroes.
While they're fitting, I'll have enough time to persuade them to turn good.
Ladybug and Cat Noir will handle T-Rex. The girls, Goblin, and I will fight with Siren Head.
Sammy, a real superhero, always keeps a cool head to make the right decisions.
It's not a joke, Sue! The toys are in danger!
Sammy, try something slow and repetitive to chill out, like cross-stitching. I got it! Can you please start working on Rena Rouge? I'm sure it will help you calm down.
No need to ask! A great deal is yet to come!
He gets so carried away so easily. Sometimes I have to shift his focus to something else. Wow, what is it? Interesting.
No, Sue! Don't touch that! It's Akuma! It'll transform you into a supervillain!
It means Hawkmoth is coming! We need to hurry up!
I told you! Hail the great Tibidaba, I can work fast!
And without losing the quality! Great, Sammy! Oh, it seems like Chloe and Rena Rouge had their suits sewn by one hand!
I should have made these triangles on the boots too!
Sorry, Mr. Goblin. It's only for the good guys. Hey, Sammy, did you see Goblin? I was chasing him, but then he just disappeared.
Let's go and find him together!
While the boys are playing, all we have left to do is to make a hairdo. Be very careful with the scissors. Better work with an adult at this stage. After that, we're making a brown hat like this.
I like stylish hats with a purpose!
I think it's a hint to give us a thumbs up, guys. Do you mind an old but good trick? Huh? Looks so great!
Susie, would you be so kind to check my head? I have a strange feeling on top of it.
Sammy, you're turning into a fox! But these ears will look much better on Rena Rouge.
Attention, guys! We're at the finish line! It's time to remind you to subscribe to our channel!
Sammy, step aside! Ladybug has an idea!
Her ideas are always great!
Oh, you flatter me, Sammy! Voila! Wow, Sammy, just look at her! She looks exactly like in an animated film!
No time for entertainment, guys! We're here to save the world!
Wait, guys! Let us check you out again before the fight!
You're right! After this, we won't look so neat! It was a good fight, guys! We saved the toys! Yeah, that's right! Now nobody will disturb the Toy City!
So the peace is settled. We can go now. You're right. It was good to be with you in one team. We'll meet again, Rena Rouge. Mark my words.
Guys, let's meet together again sometime? Huh? What do you say?
It seems like a new adventure is coming soon, guys. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our big LOL Dolls transformation today.
Don't forget to hit the bell button so you don't miss our next video!
And subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye, guys.